All right, y'all, I'm back with another fall vibes tutorial. Today I will be using the color Pumpkin, which is probably the most orange lipstick I have. Yeah, so this is Pumpkin. I'm going to show y'all in a second what it, well, I'll show y'all at the end what it looks like. Inspired by this beautiful Louis Vuitton fall special edition sweater I got like, 2020, I think. Yeah, so since it has a Louis Vuitton pumpkin on it, we're going to be using Pumpkin today. This is like one of my favorite, like first cold win, I bust this one out because it's so cute. I'm going to go off camera and do my brows and prime and all that, and I'll be back for the eyeshadow. All right, y'all, so just like last time, I'm going to mostly focus on the eyeshadow. I'm not even going to do base today because the base is always pretty similar. I'll just change the foundation, so I'll tell you what foundation I'm using later. But for the eyes, I'm going to use the Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. Now, again, I mentioned this last week. Most summer palettes can double as fall palettes. Y'all see this? I mean, straight up fall colors. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be an orange base. We got this. We got some really pretty oranges and browns, so I'm probably going to go with that. But yeah, I'm not going to name each shade and tell y'all how I'm applying it. I'm just going to show y'all the shade indicator here at the bottom, and then I will just apply it. So this is going to be part one. This is the eyes. Before I continue, I feel the need to tell y'all I love Ciate London's glitters. Like their glitter shades. Let me show you the one I just applied. That's Sunset. I just put this on the outer corners of my eye because I'm doing a halo eye today, but I had to show y'all. Like that's just a freaking eyeshadow. Ciate London. For the record, I love y'all products, just so y'all know. If y'all can hear me all the way over there in London. I don't think you can, but as a matter of fact, let me show y'all the next shade so I don't have to come back. I'm going to go with Beach Please. So yeah, Beach Please. I'm going to do Beach Please in the center. Literally one swirl. I'm not going to cut it just so y'all can see how beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love Ciate London. Oh, back to business. I'm going to now take Beach Please. I'm going to tap with my fingers because I want a good payout on it. This gold, this orange. Again, a lot of the fall colors to me, a lot of the sunset palettes, a lot of the summer hot heat palettes could also double as fall palettes because look at that. Back to work. Little brush to clean brush just to blend that. It's not super clean lines. I don't want super clean lines like that. Mascara, I'm gonna double up Marc Jacobs Velvet Primer and Velvet Noir Mascara. I'm gonna use the little mirror that came with this thing. Y'all, eyelash primer, especially if you don't like fake lashes. I hate fake lashes. A primer, a good primer, can go a really long way. Okay, with eyelash primer, I usually will let it dry down. Like I'll do some of my complexion and come back and then apply my mascara. And then after I'm finished with everything, come back for finishing touches and do the other. Y'all know, y'all kind of remember the last one. So, all right, I'm going to get going. I'm going to do my complexion off camera because y'all don't really need to see it. Just know I will be using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. So that way, y'all don't have to see it. It's the same process I did last time. Be right back. All right, y'all, for complexion, I'm not going to do too much different than last time. So I already did my foundation. Shape Tape is on my face. But I want to show y'all a little trick I started doing for blush because I'm going to be doing a very bronzy, kind of, you know, toasty kind of, I don't know what to call it, like almost a bronzer type of blush. So I'm going to combo that with this blush, which is also kind of sunny and coral. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics. So this is the blush. And then I'm going to also pair it with this lip and cheek cream palette from Seraphine Botanicals. It says it's a mineral powder brush, but I use it a lot for cream blushes. And lately, y'all, I don't know why. I cannot explain to you why. I have been in a mood for cream products lately. I don't know if it's because it's fall. That doesn't really even make sense. So I just took a little bit on the stick, and I'm going to take a little bit of this shade here. And when you apply it, ideally it's going to mix into a pretty, yep, look at that, into a pretty like sun-kissed-y, goldy, very light, not super loud, because, you know, I don't want a loud blush. Very demure, very mindful. I can't believe I just said that again. Kylie Cosmetics. I don't know why Kylie Cosmetics has so much orange products. Does she look orange? I don't remember her ever being super bronzy that I can remember, but maybe I'm wrong. So I'll use her concealers to highlight and contour today. So I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Rich Neutral Concealer. Oh, it's darker than why does it look so orange on the outside? Oh, yeah, that's way darker than I thought it was. I don't remember it being this cool tone brown. I'm not mad at it, but I just thought it was going to be more orange, which is fine. It looks like I need to tone down that blush a little bit anyway. I went a little overboard with my little mixing there. A little under the chin. And just like I told y'all last time, I'm not going to do this and a powder bronzer. I know some people do that. I just feel like that's a whole lot of makeup to put on. Maybe if I was going to an event, like Saturday, I have a big party to go to. So like Saturday night maybe, because it's got to stay on all night. But they're going back and setting every cream step with a powder step. I'm not trying to have that. Oh, and what I did under my lip too, y'all, is another tip for if you want to not enlarge, what's the word, overline your lips. That contour thing, that concealer is deep, but it blends out really well. I don't even remember viewing that. That's crazy. All right, so with my Tarte Shape Tape, now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out before it's set and it won't move around anymore. I don't know why. I saw somebody on TikTok talk about that cream highlight after they apply the blush. I don't know why that works, but ever since then I've been doing it and it makes my blush look so much better. I have no idea why. Maybe a little bit of it gets on the blush, so it tones it down a little bit. I really don't know. I just know that I like it. So, and what this leads to is after I am done with all my makeup, I'm just gonna set it like once. I don't have to do it twice because I only did one, you know, everything is a cream. So I'm using the same brush I used for my Shape Tape just like last time. And I'm just gonna take whatever's left on there to applique. Just blending everything in again. Where's the rest? Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin because I didn't put any on my chin today. A little bit here too, a little bit here too. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go set my face down. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, back. Most of my makeup is done now. I'm going to do a quick under eye look with that same palette. I guess I want to do, I think I'm gonna do Barefoot because that's kind of pretty. It's like a pinky color on a slanted brush. Ooh, that came out pretty. I like that kind of smoky toky. That's nice. All right, I need a little tear duct situation. So Heavenly right here and my tear duct here. Y'all wildin'. I want to try Splash, this shade right here. I want to try it on my brow bone because I just feel like the brow bone highlight I have is not like enough of a pop. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's much better. Okay, that's all right, everything else is done. I just need a quick little blinding highlight. I want an orange blinding highlight though. Orangey, pinky. No, that's white. YSL is not. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty goldy, but it's a really light wash highlighter. Yeah, let's do the YSL. So this is the YSL Yves Saint Laurent Couture highlighter, and I don't have a shade. So I'm just gonna pat a little bit. Oh my God. What in the natural highlight is this? I don't like this. No, too quiet for today. Not where I'm going. No. No, Champagne. Not Blissful. Not Rodeo. Like purple. Nope. Oh my gosh. Which on a normal basis I'm not mad at, but right now that's not what I need. I need gold. I guess I'll go with this. We can try this. Color Rain. Yeah, Color Rain usually has some pretty pigmented colors, but Okay, blend all this stuff out real quick because it is such a lighter coverage than I wanted. I applied it with my finger and then I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. Because if y'all didn't know, applying it with your finger just picks up more because the grooves of your fingerprint and because your sweat will pick up more product. So you ever want to pump something up and not wet it or something like that, you can always do it that way. Ink blot, again, I'm going to use a little tiny bit. Oh, actually I have one already, kind of dirty. All right, dipping in my ABH eyeliner brush. This is the Swish brush, which is supposed to be good to make a wing liner, but you know, I'm from Louisiana where we cheer on the Pelicans, and a lot of times we don't know swishes too much. I'm sorry, but we need to get it together. I don't really watch basketball. That's an unfair assessment, but I'm sure I would know if we were doing good. All right, just like I said, little baby wing, not what I'm usually doing. Just something to kind of pull up my face a little bit. Because what age is she gonna be soon, girl? 40. So we gotta snatch some things. All right, that's all good. I want to show y'all the actual lip kit. The focal point of all of this is pumpkin lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. Y'all, I want to throw ginger away, y'all. Like, it was so dried out and old. I could kind of feel it when I first applied it, but when I reapplied it later that afternoon, y'all, that thing was ugh. Pumpkin lip liner, shade in the corners a little tiny bit. It's so pretty because it's an orange, but it's a wearable orange. It's like almost an orangey tinted nude, but definitely more orange. Watch. I miss you. I haven't worn this in a long time. I feel like I only really like to break it out in fall weather. So I'm gonna let that dry down. I'm gonna go finish off my look. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is it for the second fall vibes tutorial. This one using the pumpkin matte lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. And I got fall vibes all day in this outfit. Like, I'm so comfortable. I could really just like fall up on the sofa and go back to bed, take a little nap, watch a good movie. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.